Now, if your current workbench setup feels like a science experiment held together by hope and gravity, you need to see this. This is the WORX Pegasus workbench, and today I'm going to show you why this thing became one of my favorite portable workstation setups. Now, one of the best features is how compact this thing will get. It will compact down to 35, 25, 5, and now it closes pretty easily. All you gotta do is hit that button there. There's 4 of them. Once you hit a side, it'll go down. Once you hit the other side, it'll go down. Then, boom, in the middle, folds up. Now, when folded, it's about 5 inches thick, so it can go on shelves, it can be hung up on a wall, and it can go in your truck pretty easily, and it won't take up all the cargo space. This is about the size, just a little bit bigger than a standard sawhorse. Now, even though it's pretty solid, it's pretty lightweight. It weighs about 30 pounds, so it's easy to carry around with you. It's easy to set up. Literally just pull the wings out like this, and everything else comes out. So 10 seconds to set up, maybe less than that. Now, the table size is 31 by 25, so you get quite a bit of space here, and it sits 32 inches tall. So it's going to go up to about your waist, probably normal height for a table. Everything is really accessible that height. You're not bending over. It's not uncomfortable. Now, the other thing that's impressive is the weight this will hold. This will hold 300 pounds on top as a workbench like this, and if you fold it up, like this, it'll do 1,000 pounds just as a sawhorse. If you have a second one of these right here, you have these cutouts here for 2x4s, one on each side. So you could easily put 2x4s here and use this as sawhorses or just set stuff on top. Now, another part that's nice is the work clamps built right into the table, just here on the sides. So right here on the sides, you've got your work clamps here, and they just slide on and off, one on each side. Now, putting these in is really easy. You got this little slide here. Just slide them along that rail. Get it all the way to there. Hold it. Don't want that super tight. Slide that out. Pull this in. Set it down inside there. Now it's clamped in place. Now, they're double-sided clamps, so if you have something on the workbench, you can slide these in and out without moving the actual rail. So if you got a door or some kind of material, slide these down, and then just pull that clamp, and it tightens it down like this. Really easy to use. And then when I'm done, just pull my work back. If I want to push the rail down, push that in, and I can slide that out. So that's really easy, like the double-sided clamp functionality. Now, on the bottom, you also got these clamp dogs here. So you got 4 of these. So you pull these out. And up top here, you're going to put your clamp in like this, say like that. And now when I put my work down, I don't want it to go past that. I don't want it to go past this point. So I can either clamp it like this, or I can move those to a different location and clamp it a different way. Just lots of options there. Now, if you have multiple of these, this right here is going to be used to hook them together. So the other one you would have something similar to this, like you see on the other side, and you would connect these two using this piece here. You could use it there or here. Lots of different options there. You got millimeters and inches here on both sides. So if you're cutting to precision, this works perfect. You can really tighten things down, and you don't necessarily need a tape measure. Now, I know this might seem weird, but one of the things I like is these things here. I lose screws constantly. When I'm working on something, I constantly drop a screw, and then I never know where it's at. Well, I can put my screws, I can put other stuff in here, and it doesn't get lost. Really, I mean, I like that. It seems minimal, but it is a great feature to have, especially when you're working on something and you don't want to lose the screws. Now, if I'm being picky about it, I really like to see some kind of a handle here. Carrying it at your side. I mean, you can hold these when it's like a sawhorse, but a handle would be great. I'd also like to see these things to be a little bit better. The clamps work great. I just like to see them a little bit stronger. They're not near as nice as a lot of the clamps you buy aftermarket. Unfortunately, the aftermarkets don't really fit in here. That double slide is really nice. A lot of functionality. I don't have any complaints other than I'd like to see them be built a little bit stronger. But otherwise, it's a great table. And the other thing I think it would be nice is to close this. You have to hit these, all 4 of these at the same time or not at the same time. You have to go around and hit all 4 of these. I'd like to see some way to maybe have a button where I could just fold all 4 of them at the same time, close it up. I think that would be nice, but otherwise it still works fine. It's just now I got to hit all 4 of them, so not a huge deal. Overall, this is a great table to be able to take to a work site. Easily set it up, put tools on it, things like this. As a handyman, I'm constantly going to different job sites, and I need something small like this that I can open up really quick. And I really like this thing. It just has a lot of functionality, and it's very user friendly.